Hey there, welcome to your beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. If you've ever wondered how people are trading crypto profitably, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. So, what is cryptocurrency anyway? Well, it's digital money you can send and receive without needing a bank. Think of it kind of like email for your money. It's instant, borderless, and secure. The most well-known crypto out there is Bitcoin. It was the first, and honestly, it's still the biggest. But you know, there are thousands of others like Ethereum, Solana, and USDT, and each one has different use cases. So, you store crypto in a wallet. It's kind of like a digital keychain. You get to control your own money, and all your transactions are encrypted on a public blockchain. To get started, you'll need a crypto exchange account like, say, Coinbase or Binance. From there, you can buy, sell, or trade crypto pretty easily. Start small, learn the basics, and always, keep security in mind. Crypto is powerful, but only if you use it wisely. Ready to dive deeper? Visit our beginner's guide at crypto.GetThe.info and take your first step into the world of crypto.
What is it?